Today we'll play a very interesting game. Its name is Who is Your Mother? In this game we'll try to identify whose mother is who. Now, if I ask you who is your mother, well, you will definitely tell your mother's name because you have come from her. Similarly, there are many different things whose mother you can identify from them. Let's see. So in this refrigerator, there are so many things. Now, if I want to identify the mother of this apple. So this apple is a fruit, right? Now this apple fruit comes from the apple tree, isn't it? So mother of apple is the apple tree, isn't it? Similarly, if I ask you this carrot, which is a vegetable, who is its mother? Well, the carrot comes from the carrot plant, isn't it? So carrot's mother is the carrot plant. So you see, carrot, which is a vegetable, it comes from the carrot plant. Now let's see cucumber. Now cucumber comes from the cucumber plant. So cucumber plant is the mother of cucumber. What about milk? Well, milk does not come from any plant. It comes from an animal. It comes from the cow. So milk's mother is cow. Now what about these delicious eggs? These come from the hen. So hen is egg's mother. Similarly, all the different fruits and vegetables that we have, they come from plants. And all these items like meat and eggs, they come from animals. So things like carrot, apples, brinjals, in fact all the different fruits and vegetables, they come from plants. They are food from plants. And all these things like chicken, eggs, milk, and even meat and fish, all these things come from animals. So they are food from animals. So you see, we get food from both plants and animals. So if I ask you, where do we get our food from? What will be your answer? Will it be plants? Will it be animals? Or will it be both? Well, both is the right answer because some food we get from plants and some food we get from animals. So you see, some food comes from plants and some food come from animals. And we eat all the variety of food because all these food have different qualities. And in order to get all the nutrition from all these foods, we need to eat all these foods in the right combination. And only when we eat food from both plants and animals, we get all the nutrition we need and we'll be fit, fine and healthy.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.